The number one question I'm being asked right now is, should I borrow to invest while the market is down, or should I get a mortgage on my house and invest while the market is down? I want to highlight two potential questions a person should ask before doing that. Is the rate of return or is the growth going to outweigh the stress of currently we're in a market situation and an economy that is a little bit unknown? Is that opportunity going to outweigh the stress of having a loan? So an example would be, you're going to get a loan for $25,000. You're going to put that into the market. So you're going to have a loan of $25,000, but you're going to have $25,000 invested. If the market goes up, I'm sure you're going to be pretty low stress. If the market continues to stay down or goes down lower, is that going to stress you out? Again, if you've got, job certainty and income, probably not. But that's a question that you have to answer. Is the growth potential going to drastically outweigh the stress potential of having this loan? The second is, when you consider investing, there is a lot of things that could happen in this arrangement. Investments could go this way, that way. Think of the ultimate worst case scenario, which is the investments go to zero. Your $25,000 that I mentioned is zero, and you're left with a $25,000 line of credit or loan that you've then got to pay off. If that you can stomach, then you can probably consider going to sort of phase 3 and talking to somebody like a planner or an investment person about the strategy itself. There's a number of other little pieces and nuances that should be considered, but having a planner look at your full picture and consider if this fits with all of the parts of your financial plan is probably the most important, because every scenario is so different with every person that some people it might fit for, and that's very obvious, and other people it doesn't fit for, but they get caught up in the fear of missing out that they should do this. But I can tell you from experience, and having an investment that goes from here to here and you sell out finally and bail out and you're left with a line of credit, it isn't very fun. Again, that's my experience, but I can definitely share more experiences with you about positive and negative, and we can help get the right answer for you if leveraging to invest is a good idea for you or not.